I used my dream magic to transport you to Glamour World!
My squad tells me if you fall asleep in here, then you won't be able to go outside ever again. Oh, and whatever random crap you imagine becomes real, right? Guess you've got a lot to learn about me then, little Miss Witch. I'll show you the spell I used a while back. A time when I really pushed past my limits. You guys are all copies of the version of me that the little witch girl saw. The thing is, I've gotten better since then. Monotone, Dark Cloaked, Dimension / Equinox!